Many people have a dream to build a brand from home, but the dream seems far-fetched because they don't know how to go about this. Today, I'm going to briefly take you through how you can build a successful brand or business from your home, from the comfort of your home. How do you do this? You have to be seen. Visibility is not about the brand you're selling. It's about being seen. It's about bringing yourself out there and exposing yourself. I don't mean literally yourself. What you want to sell, you have to bring it out, expose it to people. People cannot buy something they don't know exists. You have to find a social media platform. For example, it doesn't matter. It could be YouTube. It could be Instagram. It could be TikTok that you're comfortable with. Find a social media platform you're comfortable with, or any other channel, how you could reach people. Maybe, I don't think newspapers work anymore as much in this generation, but find something you're comfortable with, a channel you're comfortable with, and expose what you want, the value you want to add to people. Expose the value you're gonna add to people, what you want to sell to them. And as you do this, now that the value is out there, people know you exist. Do it persistently. Visibility is not something you build in one day. Visibility is something you do persistently, consistently. Like, you have to do it more and more times. Every day, if possible, you have to wake up. You have to treat this social media platform you picked as your TV. There is a reason why big brands like Red Bull, for example, they advertise more and more, yet we already know they exist, but they never stop to advertise. So we ended where my kid needed some attention. You create visibility constantly. You have to remind people that you exist, because the marketplace has a lot of noise. There's already competition in the marketplace. Competition is a lot, the noise is a lot. You want your voice to be the loudest and your image to be the clearest. There is a reason why you see Red Bull advertising in Formula One, you see them advertising on billboards and all that. They are already known, but they know the importance of being seen. They know it, so they do it persistently and consistently. So be like that. Look at what the big brands do and do it. Copy it. Be in the marketplace every day. Be on your social media every day, reminding people, I'm here to add value to you. As you do this reminder to the people persistently and consistently, be excellent at what you put out there. If you're gonna tell people that you produce dresses, become the yardstick people look at, measure other people's excellency in what you do. Do not just put out work because they told you, oh, be persistent and be consistent, and now you just put out work for. No. Anything, any voice you put out there that is not done with excellency becomes just noise that is persistent, So you're not, people stop even listening to you. You know how you can be in a public place and you hear people murmuring, but they'll ask you, what were they saying? And they were talking, but I had nothing. So don't be like that. Let your voice be speaking in a way that people stop and listen. People like listening to excellent work. So be that. Become the yardstick people look at to measure other people. Let it be that when someone is producing a dress, people are like, you're what they want to compare to, because you're the measure of excellency in your field. Okay? And as you build this excellence, now you have credibility. That is how people build credibility. Credibility is what will make a customer talk to another customer about you, and the other customer to speak about you in rooms you would never even enter. I've always been on social media seeing young people saying like, oh my God, I can't believe the member of parliament bought a dress from me. How did this member of parliament hear about you? Probably they have a relative, who wears things you stitch. They have an acquaintance who drinks the juice you make. And now when they were talking about juice, they told them, oh, you want juice for your event? This girl here makes the best mixed juice you would ever get. And now you have credibility, because excellence is what actually creates credibility. Because if your work is being questioned, you will never be credible. People will always be wondering that, oh, you want to buy from that one? Their juice last time gave us horrible diarrhea. But if your work is excellent, listen, if your work is excellent, you become something people talk about when they are thinking of something good. So there you have it. This is how you build a successful business or brand. Show yourself, expose what you're selling, do it persistently, do it with excellency, then you have credibility, and that is what will save you when you're not even present. Credibility will become your currency.